Hey, I'm gonna show you two tricks in VS Code. The first one is editing multiple lines at the same time. All right. So I have this JSON file and JSON objects. The requirement here is to remove item from item ID. So ideally, it should be something like this, right? So how do I do that? I mean, you can do the find replace, but editing this with multiple lines selected is more easier when you write code, right? So what you need to do is place the cursor wherever you need to, starting or end position of the item which you want to get rid of, and then press and hold option shift in Mac, and in Windows it should be alt and shift, right? So option and shift, use the mouse pointer and select like this. You don't have to, just you can select. Basically you are highlighting multi-line. Once you highlight, right, you can control however you want. For example, right, I can move around by pressing left and right. Remember, don't press down arrow. The moment you press down arrow, the multi selection will go off. The cursor will point to single line, right? So now I can delete it, right? Select, delete. Okay, similarly I can do here as well. Let me say give one more space, or check out this extra tab. I'll give extra tab, give one more tab. So basically you can do whatever you want on a multi-line. Now I'm gonna add more text here. Item ID or unique ID, right? So this is what multi-selection. Now if I say down arrow, okay, this is what happens. Yeah, I still right. I think as long as you have text, it will be still available. Okay. Okay, now this is gone, right? So that is tip number one. Tip number one. Second, for example, you have to duplicate some content, right? For example, this is an object. This is an object. I want duplication of it. How do I do? Again, option shift, press and hold, and press down arrow, right? If you press up arrow, it will copy at the top in the sense top of the content, and if you press down, it will copy at the bottom, right? Again, this is you can copy paste, but this is more handy, with the keyboard shortcuts, especially when you're writing Python definitions, right? If you have to write multiple definitions, you just select and shift option and then down or up, right? Okay, third tip as a bonus, right? How to navigate between files. For example, all this we have, right, multiple tabs. So if you are using mouse, you can use mouse, scroll bar, or trackpad, left and right. Remember, it's not up and down. Even if you do up and down, it will go left and right. So scroll left and right, so that you can navigate to different files. And keyboard shortcut would be command tab, right? Guess what? If you press shift, it will go back like this. Yeah. Command tab. Shift means it will go backwards. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you.